Today, we are going to learn simple English phrases about evening routine. Listen first, then repeat slowly. I come home. I come home. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I hang up my coat. I hang up my coat. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I make dinner. I make dinner. I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. I drink some water. I drink some water. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I clean the table. I clean the table. I check my phone. I check my phone. I watch TV. I watch TV. I listen to music. I listen to music. I take a shower. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I make some tea. I make some tea. I read a book. I read a book. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I close the curtains. I close the curtains. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I get into bed. I get into bed. I lie down. I lie down. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I relax in bed. I relax in bed. I go to sleep. I go to sleep.